Do you also want to make baby dance video like this? Or you can say baby saying Hollywood or Bollywood dialogues? Very easy guys, just watch video till the end, let's start. First, all you have to need your baby's cute photo. Okay, after that, open Google, Chrome or any browser you have. For example, I'm using Google app. Now click on search bar and just type Kling AI motion control and just search it. After that, scroll down and select this search result. I have given link in description. You can also visit this link from there. After that, you will see this interface. Now first, we are going to add our baby's photo. For that, click on add character image. Just tap on it and select your baby's photo. Click on done. After uploading your baby's photo, now we are going to select the video of a dance or a dialogue video we want to copy. Okay, for example, I want to copy the dance, that's why I'm going to select dancing video. Okay, now click on add video of character actions to mimic. Okay, and just I want to copy this dance move and the style, that's why I'm going to select this one. Okay, so basically this is our baby photo and our baby is gonna copy that baby's dance expression and everything. Okay, and to generate the video, just click on generate. By the way guys, if you're watching our videos and if you haven't liked, share and subscribe our YouTube channel, then you guys motivates me a lot to make more videos for you. And here is our final result.